Hello, here's a quick video on how to add Spotify playlists into Sonos so that they show up on your RTI panel interface. I'm going to first show you what the end result looks like by opening up RTI panel. And we have the AV homepage first, then we'll go to Office and choose Sonos. And this should look familiar to those of you who already have Sonos. And here's my entire list of all of my playlists and stations. So let's go to the Sonos app, and we can just do that by selecting Open Sonos from right within RTI panel. And then once here, you'll see that we're now on the My Sonos page. This is where the list that populates into RTI panel is pulled from. They break it into 3 sections: playlists, songs, and stations. However, RTI panel compiles it into one total alphabetically sorted list. And so to add something to this, we're going to go to the music icon, which at the very bottom is the second one from the left. And you'll see the list of available sources of music that you have in your Sonos. Today we're talking about Spotify, so I'm going to choose that. And you'll see that there's heavy rotation, made for, and a couple of other genres. What we want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom to your actual playlists that you've created. Choose that. And so here's my entire list of playlists that I've created. And so we're going to add in Latin O World to the my Sonos favorites. And so we'll choose that. And at the top right, you'll see the ellipses, 3 dots. We'll choose that. And then add playlist to My Sonos. We'll choose that. And then it'll say that playlist has been added. And we'll go back over to RTI panel, let it refresh. And now you can see that that playlist has been added. And that's how you do it. So next step is, if you wanted to organize these so that certain playlists showed up in front of others, we would go back to the My Sonos app, or to the Sonos app, go back to My Sonos. At the bottom left, we would choose the star. And then at the top right, we would choose Edit. And we are editing playlists in this case. That's what Latin World is. And we'll scroll down, choose Latin World, and here we can rename it to whatever we like and have it show up at the very top of the list. So we can say 00 dash select OK and done. And then if we go back to RTI panel, sometimes this takes a bit longer for it to populate, maybe 15 to 20 seconds. And there it is, 00 Latin. And that's it.